Yo, what's up? I just on the computer. Disturb my intro a bit. Yeah, so what's up? I just did henna on my hand and look how cool it is. Ooh. There's two flowers in the middle and there's all this buzzing, flying, I don't know, fly with a flower on my fingers. And at the bottom there's two more flowers and there's this flying fly maybe. So it's like the length altogether is like almost my whole arm. Yes, I love this design. Bye.